In this tutorial, we're going to learn how to solve fractions using cross multiplication. So here we have three different examples. So in the first one, we are just going to add the fractions. The second one, we are going to subtract. And the third one, we're going to add, but we have mixed numbers here. Okay, so let's solve our first equation here. So first, what we are going to do in this cross multiplication is we're going to multiply the denominators. Okay, so first step, we are going to multiply the denominators. So we have 7 here and 5 here. So if we multiply them, we get 35. And we're going to write 35 as our denominator. The second step, we're going to multiply 5 with 2 and then 7 with 3. So 5 multiplied by 2, we get 10. And then we're going to carry the symbol here. Since we have a plus here, we're just going to put plus here. And then 7 times 3 is 21. Now 10 plus 21 is 31 divided by 35, and here's our answer. Now let's solve our second one. Same thing, we're going to multiply the denominators. So 10 times 8 is 80. And then we're going to multiply 10 with 3, which gives us 30. We're going to carry the symbol here, which is a subtraction symbol. So minus, and then 8 times 1 is 8. And this just becomes 30 minus 8, which is 22 divided by 80. Now let's see if we can simplify this further. So we know the last digit of both of these numbers is an even number, meaning we can divide it by 2, since that's the divisibility rule of 2. So 2 times 11 is 22 and 2 times 40 is 80. So this just becomes 11 over 40. And here's our answer. Now for the third example, we have mixed numbers here. So we have 1 whole 2 by 3 and then 2 whole 1 by 5. Okay, first we need to solve our mixed fraction. So what we do with this mixed fraction is we multiply the denominator with this whole number, and then we simply add the result with the numerator, which is this number. So we get 3 times 1 is 3 plus 2 is 5. So this just becomes 5, and the denominator always stays the same, so divided by 3. Plus, again, same thing here, denominator is going to stay the same, and then this is just going to be 5 times 2, which is 10, and then 10 plus 1 is 11, so this just becomes 11 here. And now we can do cross multiplication. So first step, we're just going to multiply both of our denominators, which is 3 and 5, so we get 15, and then we cross multiply. So we multiply 5 with 5, so we get 25. We carry the symbol here, which is a plus symbol, and then 3 times 11 is 33. So this just becomes 25 plus 33 is what? 3 plus 5 is 8, and then 3 plus 2 is 5, so 58 divided by 15. Okay, so now here we have an improper fraction. What is an improper fraction? It's a fraction where the numerator, which is this number, is greater than the denominator, which is this number. So we know 58 is bigger than 15, so we can further simplify it. So let's divide 58 by 15. So 58 divided by 15. Now 15 times 1 is 15, 15 times 2 is 30, and then 15 times 3 is 45, and 15 times 4 would be 60, which is bigger than this. We need a number smaller than this, so it'll be 3. So 15 times 3 is 45. So let's subtract this. 8 minus 5 is 3, and then this is 1. So 13, we'll leave it as is because this is smaller than 15. So to write this as a mixed number, we know this is our whole number because we can divide 58 by 3 wholes of 15. So this is our whole number. So we just write it as 3 whole. And then what is our remainder? It is 13. This is the leftover. So 3 whole 13. And then the denominator, which is 15, stays the same. So this just becomes 3 whole 13 by 15. And here's your answer. Okay, so this is how you can solve fractions using cross multiplication. If you found this helpful, please leave a like and subscribe to my channel. And let me know if you guys have any questions. Thank you for watching.